What's going on YouTube? Corey here with the Tech Couple. I am by myself.
Kind of.
Because this is my watch. Sharice is on the other side of the camera.
Whoop, whoop.
She'll have her own dedicated video for her gold Apple Watch.
For my better Apple Watch. I just wanted to correct it in advance.
The cameramen don't talk, or camerawomen don't talk.
Oh, sorry.
So we're going to unbox this thing, show you what's going on. It is a Series 4 stainless steel, as you saw in the title, because I like all things stainless. So right off bat, I can tell you this is a different shaped box than the series before it, the 3, 2, and 1. And yeah, or Gen 0 before you comment, guys, go crazy, the first generation. I know there was not a stainless steel Series 1, but let's jump into it. All right, so if you've ever unboxed the Apple product, you know they make it real easy. No box cutter unboxing knife required. We'll flip this around for you guys. You can get the first look. I don't even know what I'm looking at. Yeah, this is like the same as, so it includes the Apple Watch band, charging cable, and USB-C, nope, and USB power adapter. For those who just got the Sport, my understanding is it does not come with the power adapter. Yeah, tell me about it. So yeah, let's crack this guy open. I'm a very meticulous unboxer. Oh, you're not meticulously unboxing this, I can tell you that right now. So, let's slide open the contents and see what's inside. So, there's our box. I'd show you the backside, but you know, some of you internet gangsters like to steal serial numbers and IMEIs and try to track people down and all that other funny stuff, but not up in here.
Hoodlums. Sorry, silent camera woman.
Oh, this is cute. However, whatever that is. Maybe it's not cute. I don't know what it is. Oh, that is cute. No, it is cute. It's like a little flap. I was trying to figure out how it worked.
Ooh, that's pretty.
Yes. Oh! And as we've seen before, the watch band is now completely separate in its own box. And they have this nice cute thing. So, as always, I won't even, well, I'll open it up for you guys, but I do not use the white sport band included because I've got plenty of my own. So there's the box again. Open it up. Some standard issued, how to pair, how to start it up, all that fancy stuff. Our power brick. Our magnetic charger, which I also won't be using because I bought one of those pillows. Or Sharice bought one of those pillows for Christmas. Got this nice, cute little sleeve for the Apple Watch. That's pretty. I feel like I want a microfiber cloth or something to open it, whatever. It's gonna slide. Slide. Ooh. Slide. Ooh. It's so pretty, and it's already powering on. So, we'll go ahead and get this thing powered on, and be right back. So pairing's actually really straightforward. You just bring the watch, see, and boom. Click on continue. It'll walk you through some instructions. We're off to the races. I'm gonna restore from a backup. Ain't it pretty though? Goodness gracious. Sign in with the Apple ID. Excuse me. Confidential information. Why don't you want to let me be great? I'm skipping this step for now. Create a long password. Also confidential.
That sounded like about 5 or 6 ticks.
Heart health, help you look after your heart. We'll do continue. Set up Apple Pay later, because I got a lots of cards. Set up cellular, that we do want to do. Hang on, getting some info on your phone, almost done. Replace a sync device. Thank you, AT&T, that's convenient. Let's set up number sync. Y'all don't need to know where we live. Just know we're in North Carolina. Loading, and may take up to 30 seconds for this action to complete. Sync requested should be available in a few minutes. We're working on this. Thanks for your patience. Sorry this is taking a while. Give us a moment and cellular's ready. Continue. We know how this works. Ooh, Apple Watch is syncing. So, in the interest of time, we won't force you guys to wait and watch this.
And watch this. I see what you did there.
Oh man, welcome to the Watch app. I already know about the Watch app, but you see I done changed bands on y'all. Watch is set up. Brother don't got no standards for today. And yeah, as you can see, it is such a beautiful screen and already super smooth. All right, so of course we'll have a full review in the days and weeks to come, but I do want to check out that fancy face from the watch gallery.
That complicated face?
That infograph? Go and add the infograph. Set it as my current watch face. Oh my God. Look at all that information. Look at all that information. Yeah, we will definitely be diving in to check this. Definitely be diving in to check this out. Woo-wee. Look at all that. Look at all that information. So thank you to my pretty camera lady hanging out behind the scenes.
You're welcome.
Sharice the Tech Couple. She'll be on the other side of the camera pretty soon doing a review or unboxing of the Gold Series 4.
Better.
Stainless gold? Jeez, you got a nasty attitude. And of course, thank you guys for watching. Did you guys pick up Series 4 Apple Watches? You know where to find us. You know where to let us know. Down in those comment section below. We're super active down there. And we will see you guys in the next one. Later.